Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a girl ready for Easter. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay little artist, let's start this picture, and the first thing we're gonna do is do the smile in the center of the paper. And then on the sides, we're gonna do the eyes. I want to start with an oval shape. And we're gonna do another one in the other side. Remember, you can do the eyes differently than me, but I like to do oval shapes for my characters. So now in the sides, we're gonna put eyelashes. And we're gonna fill them with black. I'm leaving a little bit of a space on the top part just to give a little bit of a shine to the eye. The next thing we're gonna do is the eyebrows, just with the two curvy lines on the top of the oval shapes. And now let's start doing the hair around the face or around the eyes. We're gonna start here doing a letter C right next to the eyebrow on the right side. Now let's do the same thing in the left side, just do it backwards. And we're gonna start doing more curves. We're gonna go down here, going in and out, and we're gonna stop right here. And in the other side, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna go out and in, and we're gonna stop on the same distance. These curves don't have to be exact same like mine, but the idea is to go really close to the eyes. For the top part, I wanna start doing two little curves that go inside to the inside. And we're gonna do a curve that go up and go down and connect to the other side. And it's the same thing here. You don't have to do this exact same like me, but the idea is that you do a big curve on the center. To finish the face, we're gonna join this line with the other one going underneath the mouth and around the eyes. The next thing we're gonna do is the band that she has on her head, and we're gonna leave a finger space between this curve and the band, and we're gonna do a curve that gonna go from side to side. Let's start on the left side, and we're gonna go to the right doing a curve and going down a little, and it's about the same distance of where the curves finished. So now I want to do this line double, and I want to start from this point here going up, and my line is gonna get closer at the end, just finishing a point. From this band, I'm gonna do the ears, and I'm gonna do two U shapes. They're very long and they're upside down. And let's leave a little bit of a space and do another one around and going back down. And inside, we're gonna put an oval shape for the inside of the ears. And I'm leaving a space in between the U shape and this oval. Before I finish the hair, I'm gonna do with the body, and underneath the chin, we're gonna do two U shapes. This is the color of her dress. And in the middle, we're gonna do another curve if you still have room. Now, let's do the dress, leaving a little bit of a space here. I'm going down. The same thing in the other side. Now, let's do a line that goes diagonal in each side. And we're gonna connect them with a curved line right here. Now, here we're gonna do some details to the dress. I'm gonna do in the middle a line that goes from side to side. And I'm gonna make it double, so it's just gonna look like a belt. And we can put here a couple lines just to give a little bit of a texture to the dress. For the hands, I'm gonna do it really easy. I wanna leave a space here, and I wanna do a U shape that is very long. And in the other side, she's gonna be carrying a basket, so let's do the basket first. So this is gonna go behind the girl, so I wanna start with a curve here. And I wanna go a little bit down, kind of like the same level of the dress, and let's make this line double. And now we're gonna connect from this to the basket or the handle of the basket. Now we can do the hand, and we're gonna do the arm like it's holding the basket. So we're gonna do one line. Let's do this line double, and underneath the handle I'm gonna do a half a circle just to make it look like the hand. Now let's do inside the basket the Easter eggs, and we're gonna start doing half a circles or have an oval shape, and I'm doing these circles pointy on the top part, and in behind I can put more, and this one's can be a little bit bigger. Now I want to continue with the feet. I want to do 2 lines in each side and doing a C shape going around to do the feet, and inside I want to do a curve to make the shoes. Now that we have the feet, we're gonna do from this point here a curve to finish the basket, and you can even put some decorations inside. I'm gonna put here a little bit of a curves. The last thing we're gonna do is finish the hair, and she has a very long hair. You can do something different. I want to start up here with a line that goes down, and when I'm start getting close to the face, I want to start doing curves and connect with the dress. In the other side, we're gonna do the same thing. I want to start from here from the ears, and once that I start getting close to the face, I'm gonna start doing curves, and this one connect with the basket, and that's it. We are all done. I hope you like this picture, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out and the colors I choose. Remember, you can change all these colors and you can do it differently than me. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!